Hi gorgeous, are you ready to wrap up module 9? I hope so, because today we will be officially completing the spring color seasons with none other than the firecracker herself, that of the clear spring woman of style. If you are indeed a clear spring woman of style, you have a natural, gorgeous, warm glow to your overall coloring that presents not only as warm, but also clear. Thus, your skin undertones will present as golden yellow, which gives you a lovely warm and translucent glow to your native skin, eye, and hair coloring. So let's briefly test your knowledge for fun. Which winter woman of style would be considered the clear spring woman of style's opposite sister season? If you answered the clear winter woman of style, you would be absolutely correct. Yes, the clear winter and clear spring women of style are very closely related in one dominant or main physical trait, and that would be your gorgeous, stunning, and piercing clear eyes. The clear winter woman of style has very clear, beautiful, piercing eyes, similar to that of the clear spring woman of style. The only difference is that the clear winter woman of style is very cool and vivid in her appearance, while the clear spring woman of style is very warm and translucent in the quality of her coloring. Let's find out why as we explore some notable physical traits of the clear spring woman of style. If you are indeed a clear spring woman of style, the first physical trait people will notice about you are your beautiful, clear, jewel tone eyes that sparkle on the brightest of days. Your eyes, as mentioned just a moment ago, similar to that of the clear winter woman of style, will present in a variety of sparkling, warm colors. However, instead of being cool, clear, and sparkling, clear spring eyes present as being the clearest of crystal blue, sparkling blue violet, crystal blue green, and brightest of hazel. You will also notice that the whites of your eyes are extremely white. The quality of your natural skin tone is delicate and translucent with a natural warm glow. Lastly, your natural hair color also presents as warm and varies in color, ranging from blonde, light blonde, warm medium brown, and stunning strawberry red. Remember, in the autumn videos, I spoke about natural redheads automatically being pegged as warm autumns, whereas I also distinguish clear spring women of style who are in fact redheads and can wear a variety of beautiful clear spring colors if you are a redhead that presents as a clear spring woman of style. Please do pause the video here. Do you consider yourself to be a clear winter woman of style or that of the clear spring woman of style? Do review module 3 and 4. Take yourself through the process of elimination, and if you are absolutely certain that you are a clear spring woman of style, keep going. There is still much more to discover about this spring firecracker. What are some notable eye types of the clear spring woman of style? Let's find out. Eye types of the clear spring woman of style are warm, vibrant, and jewel tone. Traditional eye types of the clear spring woman of style are quite stunning to look at, as they too look as though they have been lit from behind by the brightest rays of the sun. And they include clear blue, light hazel, and clear blue-green eyes. I always know when I am working with a clear spring woman of style because when I look into her eyes, they are very tropical and vibrant. Hair types of the clear spring woman of style are warm and extremely vibrant, sometimes presenting with light natural blonde and light warm brown, which narrows down the clear spring hair colors to that of golden blonde, light brown with natural warm highlights, and warm strawberry blonde. In general, clear spring women of style physically appear as very vibrant, and their personality, in my opinion, matches the vibrancy and excitement that comes out when they are wearing the correct colors and are matched with the correct style personality to complement their color branding imprint. Let's now turn our attention to a couple of notable clear spring celebrity women. Actress Brittany Snow is an excellent example of a clear spring woman of style. Brittany has clear and light, piercing blue eyes, delicate, warm, and translucent skin quality with light blonde hair. Typically, clear springs have skin that are delicate ivory, subtle peaches and cream, or golden beige in appearance. Clear blues from the Clear Spring color palette look stunning on clear spring women of style, and I would imagine would be an amazing power color on the lovely Brittany Snow. Just look at those gorgeous, clear, bright eyes. To the right, Brittany looks fun, vibrant, and sultry, wearing Clear Spring's version of Truest Red in a sexy V-neck pattern dress. To the immediate left, Brittany stuns again in Clear Spring's version of Tomato Red. I absolutely love the flirty and romantic ruffled detailing of the sleeves on this particular gown. She also wears this version of red on her lips quite nicely. And to the center bottom, Brittany looks casually sexy wearing Clear Spring's version of taupe and light blue jeans. Beautiful color combo for this casually sexy outfit. Let's now check out Brittany's best and worst color moments. Okay, so big no for me. To the right, Brittany looks like a hot mess. Sorry, Brittany, but I'm happy you were able to save your style by ditching your then stylist for the new one that you are currently working with. This particular color of Soft Summer's Raspberry is too low in its vibrancy. Remember, soft summer women of style are muted and gentle in their natural coloring. And don't forget, they are also a cool color season, whereas clear spring women of style, such as Brittany, are high in contrast within their hair color, eye coloring, and natural skin coloring, and need clear, warm, bright colors to balance out their gorgeous clear spring physical characteristics. However, to the immediate left, Brittany looks beautiful, vibrant, and quite flirty wearing Clear Spring's Poppy Red. I love this color on Brittany because it is in complete harmony with her natural clear spring coloring. To the far left is the cutest pic of Brittany at the young age, I would say between 2 and 3. Quite young here, but I wanted to illustrate how powerfully accurate pictures from when you were a youth can help you decide what color season you belong to without a doubt. Remember, when we are younger, we are in our most natural physical state appearance-wise. Our hair, eyes, and skin coloring are in its purest state. Here we can observe the delicate, clear quality of Brittany's skin coloring. Also, look at Brittany's hair. It presents as almost powdery white in appearance. Lastly, if you look closely at Brittany's clear light blue eyes, they pop as they stare back at you. So there is no doubt in my mind that Brittany is in fact a clear spring woman of style. Moving along, let's check out celebrity actress Heather Graham. Heather is also a classic clear spring woman of style. Heather's natural hair color is actually a warm sandy blonde color, which I personally prefer over the platinum blonde hair she tends to gravitate towards ever so often. Heather looks stunning as a strawberry blonde, but she also looks equally stunning as a clear spring redhead. She too has sparkling steely blue eyes that are piercing as well. Remember, if you are a clear spring woman of style, your eyes are the first physical trait people will notice about you. I would say one of Heather's power colors is definitely that of Clear Spring's navy blue, such a stunning color on her, which lights up her crystal clear blue eyes. To the top right, Heather looks sexy and stunning wearing Clear Spring's navy blue again in this embellished lace one-piece form-fitting leather dress. Quite the firecracker in this particular outfit. To the right, Heather nails this particular red carpet look wearing Clear Spring's mint green beaded gown. Wowza, she looks effortlessly gorgeous. And to the center bottom, Heather looks vibrant and energetic wearing a fun, eclectic striped dress infused with multiple vibrant colors from the Clear Spring color palette. I love how the base of the dress is a clear golden yellow, which added a lovely glow to Heather's already naturally clear spring aura. Let's now check out Heather's best and worst color moments. Here we have Heather wearing Cool Summer's Muted Raspberry. It's not the greatest color on Heather, especially when worn with her hair in warm strawberry. The colors are fighting against one another rather than being in harmony with her natural coloring, as evidenced to the immediate left. Heather is now wearing the perfect version of raspberry from the Clear Spring color palette. Can you see the immediate difference? She looks clearer in appearance. She also looks more happy and vibrant in this particular outfit. To the far left, Heather looks to be between the ages of 12 and 16. Here you can observe Heather's natural hair color, which is actually a light sandy blonde color. Her eyes are a natural light blue and her skin is quite clear and translucent, which is a very strong indicator that she most likely is indeed a Clear Spring woman of style. Okay, gorgeous. Let's now take a look at a few of Clear Spring's power, anchor, and accent colors. Power colors of the Clear Spring color palette convey a warm, energetic vibration that are sparkling and magnetic, and they include clear emerald green, clear true red, clear true blue, bright periwinkle, and the clearest of navy. A few of Clear Spring's anchor colors include soft white, purest black, black brown, clearest taupe. And lastly, a few of Clear Spring's accent colors include clearest minty green, bright golden yellow, bright turquoise, warm coral, and clear violet. Here we are, gorgeous, the final outfit for the last subdomain of the color seasons, which we've explored from modules 6 through 9. Let's take a look at a sample Clear Spring outfit utilizing Clear Spring's key signature colors. For this particular outfit, I have selected a fabulous emerald green floral blouse and then chose key colors from the blouse, mainly that of clear wild strawberry, and used that as an accent color in the nail polish and lipstick. I then used Clear Spring's power color of clear cobalt blue in the handbag and shoes to give the outfit that extra pop of vibrancy that Clear Springs need, which I then matched with aqua blue and navy blue crystal drop earrings. This particular outfit was styled for a woman whose authentic style personality happens to be that of the classic chic woman of style. Okay, let's continue this journey. Another bonus from me to you, where you will learn more about what accessory metals will best complement your new signature color branding imprint.